Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Microscope Beauty. You guys definitely demanded more plan with me's. I heard you loud and clear, so here I am with another one. And what way to kick off plan with me's again than doing one with Darice. So technically this is a Creatology, but I found it at Michael's. It's a little cutie sticker book with a lot of cool little kawaii guys on it, and I thought I could coordinate this with some April monthly colors. I plan on doing plan with me's probably every other week or so. There isn't going to be like a set schedule, but if I want to showcase like a Darice book or a really cool kit, I will do them more frequently, but they're definitely going to keep happening. So if you want to see more plan with me's, definitely subscribe so you don't miss any of those. But let's dive in and get this party started. The thing is, and a reason I thought you guys wouldn't want to watch my plan with me's anymore is that I find that I do the same things kind of every single week, but you guys want to see that, so let's do it. And maybe this will challenge me to be a little bit more interesting in my planning styles and whatnot. Plus, I think everyone should use the hourly, even if you don't think your life is busy enough or that you need the hourly slots. To me, the hourly is like the supreme planner. It's the planner to rule them all in my mind, because if you don't need the hours, just cover them up like I'm currently doing right now with this top section. I love covering up. I think it's just the easiest way to get yourself a little bit of space to add in things for the day that don't necessarily have a time slot. I love this area for videos and blog posts or like new releases or something. If I just wanted like a reminder that something's happening, it's really great up here. It could be really helpful for other things for you as well, like meal planning maybe can go up here, or like package deliveries, I don't know, TV shows. The sky's the limit up in this section, that's for sure. So washi strip is down, weekend header is also there, and then I go through with my full boxes, and I fail a couple of times, and then I get it right, basically every time. That's still kind of crooked, whatever, we're going with it. I always love watching like the sped up versions of like plan with me's. But I also find that like there's something just very therapeutic about watching somebody else like plan through their week and just get everything down. So I'm kind of in this like in between, not sure what I want to do. So I'm just going to stick with my like usual style where I just talk through it and everything. But if you guys like that sped up style more, definitely let me know and I can try and do some of those, maybe mix it up here and there to give you guys what you want. Because that's what we're here for, to give you guys what you want. So this week is pretty exciting because there are a bunch of new releases coming out on Friday, which is always a good time. Tons of new releases. We switched to the once a month schedule probably like 6 months ago now, and it's just been really working out for us, and it means more designs and more like detailed designs, and just we're more focused. That way we're not trying to do stuff every single month, you know, or every single week, I mean. All right, so full boxers are down. Then I'm going to go through and do my like usual setup, the stuff I do every single week. You know, the super fun, crazy, what you're here for stuff, you know, getting wild up in this planner. I don't know what I'm saying. These are not even words that I should be saying. So I put my videos up here, and then I've kind of switched to doing like a Tuesday, Thursday blog post thing. It's just been a lot easier for me that way because I am dedicating a lot more time to my freelance jobs and trying to expand Oh Hello. So I think it's just easier right now to do a Tuesday, Thursday posting schedule. I was using this like weekly thing for my blog posts, but now I think I might use it for meal tracking. We are doing Home Chef again, and my lord, is it life-changing. I love food subscriptions. I was always so skeptical about it because I am a pretty picky eater, so I thought there's no way that there would be like meals for me or things that I'd like, but the cool thing is that like Alex lets me pick, and they have tons of options on their site each week, and there's always something that I'll eat. So it just makes it so much easier to make sure that we're eating, because we're definitely the people who are suddenly starving to death, and then we go to like Culver's and make poor life decisions. So this way it's just really fun to have like a set time that we are going to eat. We know what we're going to eat. It's already here in portions. That's a huge thing for us too. We're just 2 people. So having the correct amount of like fruits and veggies without ruining them or letting them go bad is just really awesome. So enough about that. If you want to check it out, there will be a link below. It'll be a discount code. If you use it, it means Alex and I get money off of our next box, which we're going to be buying anyway. So it'd be really super helpful if you sign up if that's something you're interested in. So let's get back on track because I can't talk and plan. That is definitely something I've learned about myself over the years of Plan With Me's. So Megan is coming over on Wednesday. She is officially our first employee. You guys know her. She has been in videos and been around forever. She was the little in my sorority when I was in college. So I love working with her. She does a lot of our admin stuff and our like customer service messages and everything. She is so awesome. So she's coming over on Wednesday because she works remotely from her house. So it's nice to have her here every once in a while just so we can like talk, reassess, figure stuff out, work on stuff together. It's just really helpful that way. So I'm diving through this giant stack of stickers I have over on this side and kind of all over the place. Honestly, this is exactly how I plan in real life. It's kind of just, I pull through my stickers, I find something, and I plop it down. So if you have any questions of like specifically where I'm using the stickers, a lot of them will be oh hello stickers, but if you're curious about like where exactly they came from, if I throw it down too quickly or whatever, definitely let me know in the comments and I'll be down there to make sure I respond and let you know where things are from if you're interested in. So I have my therapy at 10 a.m. on this Tuesday, but I also will have it next Tuesday, so I just use that sticky note over again. But then we're gonna have a marketing meeting at 9 right before it. Very busy people, very busy. So new releases are coming out on Friday, as well as a newsletter is going out. So I'm going to put a purple newsletter up here. You can't see that. I put it up there. That's where I put it. Cool. And then I think I'm going to put the new releases on a half box or just kind of float them. Maybe. I don't even have the purple I need. Good thing I have a whole separate sheet. Boom. They're going to go live at noon. Thursday is train night and game night. So quarter box. And then half box. And then of course gotta add my trains. Sadly, I do not remember where these came from. I definitely need to look it up in my like Etsy order history, but the stickers don't have a shop name on them, so I can never remember. I just need to write it on the back or something. So if you guys are curious, I can help you figure it out. I forgot to put these little clipboards down. I like to use these next to the blog posts. These are from Erica G Designs. There is a train expo show near my house on Saturday. I thought it would be really fun to go with my dad and just like check it out, see what's new in the train model world. So going to use a half box for that. Write it a little bit smaller. That way I can add another train because they're important to add to as many spreads as I possibly can. I bought like 5 sheets of these when I found them on Etsy. I needed some trains in my life. On Saturday, I need to pay bills and remove the limited edition Traveler's Notebook. So if you're watching this on Wednesday, April 11th, when this video should be live, if I'm remembering correctly, then there are just a few days left to get the old limited edition Traveler's Notebooks. We have like a collection that goes live once like a month, it switches out, and then it gets discontinued after the month is over. So there'll be a couple of days with the new releases if you want to purchase the limited edition stuff, but I also have to pay our bills because I like to pay my bills on the 15th of every month. So I added that up in this top little section. And I want to water plants that day as well, and then I'll add something for the remove limited edition section. Water plants. I love these. They're from the Novel Coffee. Super adorable. we just released our own version of water plants. Of course, I don't have a copy of those. I tend to like stock everything up and cut it at least once and then do a video for the new release launch. I just haven't done that yet, so I don't have any of those releases for me to use. Speaking of, that reminds me, I need to write some like mini skinny labels for my Oh Hello videos. I'll put them at this top section here. So Friday, the new release video will go live, and then I think on Wednesday, the video about the B6 petite planners will go live. It's basically a really short video showing you that the petite planners from Erin Condren fit in our B6. So that should be live when you're watching this video, so if you want to go check that out and see how it looks in there. I'm actually going to use a heart checklist, a half heart checklist over on Sunday for that Remove Limited Edition. I'm sure other things will come up, so might as well just use one for over there. And then I'm going to put a cute little header on it, maybe a today, or don't forget. So at some point this week I also need to film videos, so I think I'll do those on Thursday. So I'm going to add the other half heart checklist in and look for my film video stickers right here. So let's use this like light blue one. So how I like to use Darice stickers, because they are so large, is incorporate them onto like a half or a full box, but then have them go over the edge. So I really enjoy when they kind of cross over the days. I love that style. I just think it looks really nice and just kind of makes the whole thing flow really well together. So I'm just trying to figure out, I was kind of sticking with like a color vibe, some like blues and stuff, but let's just go rogue. Let's go and get whatever sticker we feel like. So the thing about Darice sticker books is that they're not cut that well. That's just something you kind of have to accept, that like the cut lines are usually a little skewy and sometimes they don't peel up at all, but that's just the magic and the allure of the Darice. So this hot dog needs to go somewhere. I don't know. Oh, I always will go through and add in more later, but I do like the way it looks when I like first start the week and it's just covered in really cute Darice stickers. All right, guys, there you have it, my Darice April monthly colored themed spread. That's a terrible name for it, but that's kind of exactly what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you like to see how I use Darice sticker books. I definitely plan on doing more Darice ones in the future because I think they're a really great way to incorporate some decorative designs into things while still like using just a couple of like colors for stickers. It's also a really great way to use up leftover stickers. So if you have a few different like sets of colors from old kits, you can always incorporate some Darice into it. And there you go, you have yourself a full kit. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more Plan With Me's, and subscribe so you don't miss any videos from me. I post 2 every single week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.